In many countries, people increasingly talk about money, how much they earn, or how much they paid for things in their daily conversations. Why is this? Is it a positive or negative development? In many parts of the world, it is increasingly common for people to talk about money now. For example, in their day-to-day conversations, they tend to talk openly about their salaries and spending. This trend is motivated by societal changes, and I believe that is a negative tendency. The topic of money is no longer sensitive for a large section of the population anymore, due mainly to social changes. It is true that our society is becoming increasingly materialistic, with people placing more importance on materialistic possessions rather than spiritual values. Therefore, people, especially high-income earners, tend to brag about how much they make and how expensive their purchases are to earn other people's praises and respect, rather than doing non-materialistic things such as exchanging ideas and profundities in a conversation in their daily lives. This is particularly negative for those on both the bragging and the receiving ends in such conversations. This is because those who want other people to hold them in higher regard or see them in a different light by showing off their wealth tend to feel happy or superior only for a short time, since there are always richer people to impress and more expensive items to buy. As a result, they have to buy more to feel satisfied and superior again. By contrast, those on the receiving end of boastful conversation tend to be envious, which can motivate them to buy similar or even more expensive things. This perpetuates unhealthy rivalry in society, with more and more people becoming money-driven and holding consumeristic views. In conclusion, the main cause of this trend is widespread materialism in our society, and it should be considered an unwelcome development given how it negatively affects people's mindsets.